Well, I'm back in the kitchen to make a wonderful recipe by fellow dietitian Mary Lynn Faravari from her book, Healthy Palate, Delicious and Simple Recipes to Enhance Meals with Fruits and Vegetables. The full recipe is for lime chicken with spicy sweet potatoes, but I'll confess that I love this sweet potato recipe so much that I make it all the time. So we'll be preparing the spicy sweet potato part of Mary Lynn's recipe. Now our ingredients are 2 small sweet potatoes peeled, quartered, and cut into about 1/2 inch slices. 1 red bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, cut into 2-inch pieces. 2 teaspoons chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon ground red pepper. And we will slice a lime to squeeze over these potatoes when they're done. Now let me tell you about sweet potatoes and me. Actually, I've only recently begun eating them, and now I want sweet potatoes all the time. I found as an extra added bonus that sweet potatoes don't seem to affect my blood sugar nearly as much as white potatoes. And this is probably due to sweet potatoes being higher in fiber than white potatoes. And I'm getting a great source of vitamin A to boot. This recipe is so simple, absolutely delicious, and makes a great side dish not only to chicken, but also beef, pork, or fish. Watch this. A quick spray with vegetable cooking spray of your pan, and then you put the cut sweet potatoes in, and the cut green and red bell peppers, and then sprinkle with the spices that I've already put in together. And then just a quick toss to coat everything. And I will put it into a preheated oven of 400 degrees. The potato mixture is in the oven, uncovered, and cooking for 40 minutes. About halfway through, I'll toss to coat again. Now, I don't have 40 minutes of material for you, so let's check back with each other when our dish is done, if that's okay. All right, what an aroma. Now, I'll squeeze this lime over the sweet potatoes and peppers, and we have a wonderful side dish to liven up any entree. It is especially paired by Mary Lynn for her lime chicken recipe. That recipe is also available on our Everyday Recipes tab. This makes 4 servings. Each serving has 77 calories. Now, we do get 42 grams of carbohydrate and 8 grams of fiber, which allows us to take off 4 grams of carb for the serving to give us only 38 grams of carbohydrate per serving. Check that against your meal plan. The recipe also has 4 grams of protein, 1 gram of fat, and 100 milligrams of sodium. We owe a big thank you to Mary Lynn for this one, and you'll be seeing this one show up in my weekly menu often, I'll bet. It's so simple. I'm Toby Smithson. Thanks for watching Diabetes Every Day.